Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited because we're unboxing the Google TV Streamer 4K. This is a neat device that promises to revolutionize your home entertainment setup, from powerful streaming capabilities to built-in Google Assistant. This gadget has a lot to offer. So let's dive in and see what's inside the box and talk about all of its amazing features and benefits. So let's get started. This box here, the Google TV Streamer, costs around $100 in the US. So if you are looking to get one of these, it will set you back $100. All right, so let's open it. So here, there is an arrow. So let's pull it out that way and open up the box. It's a bit bigger than before, and as we open it, here's what we get inside the box. So I'm just gonna pull it out. Now right away, you will notice it is bulkier and heavier compared to the previous version, but that's likely due to improved hardware under the hood. So it is definitely much bigger, almost maybe double the size of the previous Chromecast. Next up, we have the remote. So it's got the same ergonomic design we know and love, with intuitive buttons and dedicated Google Assistants. In the home button, we've got the YouTube button, Netflix button, and the microphone button right here. Okay, so in here we have the USB-C cable and USB-A cable. There are two batteries come with the device. So here I'll just try to open up the battery. This is for the remote. So we can put the battery in here. Just make sure we put it the right way. So that's right. So both positive go to the top. I'll just close the cover. So you can see the remote's now turning on. Now there is also a charger. I'm surprised they have a charger. Most devices now, they don't come with a charger, but this one here actually have a charger as well. I suppose you do need a power plug for the device, otherwise it will not work. So you actually have the power adapter that comes with the actual unit itself. Okay, so underneath there is one more item, and this is the user instruction. It is small and compact, so it's got all the information right there. So that is everything inside the box. There is no HDMI cable, so you need to purchase the HDMI cable separately. At the back here, you also have the network port and a USB-C to plug in to power up the device. And here there is also a button, reset button, that allows you to reset the device. And there it's quite small and compact, almost the size of a mobile device, but it is larger than the previous generation. The design still look sleek, though it is noticeably larger. However, it maintains a clean and minimalist look with the Google logo at the back. It's not as compact as the earlier models, but if you have space near your TV setup, it's not a big deal. Setup is straightforward. Just plug your device into the TV HDMI port and then plug it into the back of the device of the unit right here. So connect the power and follow the on-screen instruction. It's a quick process, and you'll be streaming in no time. Okay, now let's get into the features of this device. Because size aside, this device really delivers on performance. First, it supports 4K HDR streaming with stunning visuals and vibrant colors. Whether you're watching movies, TV shows or gaming, you love the crystal clear picture quality. Then there's Google Assistant integration with the remote, uh, with the remote right here. So with the remote voice button, so you can press on the remote voice button right here. You can find shows, control smart home devices, and even ask for recommendations. One of the biggest benefits is the personalized recommendations. The device learns your preferences and curates content for you, so you don't waste time searching for content. It also has universal search. This means you can find content across all your streaming platforms like Netflix, Disney Plus, YouTube, and more in one go. The app support is vast, so no matter your favorite service, chances are it's available here. Now let's talk about the remote. Even though the device itself is bulkier, the remote remains compact and easy to use. It features shortcut buttons for popular apps and a Google Assistant button for voice commands. It's also programmable, so you can use it to control your TV volumes and power, reducing the need for multiple remotes. So that's the Google TV streamer. While it's bulkier than the previous generation, it brings significant upgrades like 4K HDR, smarter recommendations, and seamless integration with Google services. It's a powerful device for anyone looking to enhance their streaming experience. If you are thinking about getting one, check the link in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more unboxing and tech reviews, and click the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.